Welcome to the Synchronome Depence video tutorial number 1. In this issue we would like to give you a brief overview of the main windows of the VPad software. By clicking on the tabs you can easily change between the different views. You can also click and drag to take a window from the main area and place onto another screen. The top left area contains buttons for the project manager where you can open new or existing projects. Next to that we have the Save button. This stores all project data and any changes to the current show. The Project Properties box gives you all of the basic project information. In here you can display information about the location of the show installation, the name of the show designer, or any other project related data. The V3D button opens the Synchronome visualization tool, which will be covered in a further detailed tutorial. With the Time Planner button you enter the editor, which allows you to complete schedules for day plans, week plans and year plans. Again, this will be covered in a further detailed tutorial. Next we have the System menu key. This opens the sub-menu where the tools are located for changing settings such as hardware configuration and for uploading to the server. In the middle area of the project designer is the sketchboard. This shows you a graphical plan view of the area on which you will build your show layout. By holding down the right mouse button and moving the mouse, you can move the view position. You can also move the mouse wheel to change the view height. At the bottom of the screen is the quick view for DMX channels. This gives you an overview of the DMX values currently outputting. Use the right mouse button to scroll through the display. On the right hand side is the tool screen. You can use the mouse to change the size and position. The Tool menu area helps you to organise your devices and addresses. Here you have an overview of all devices and DMX addresses used. Next we have the Programmer. With this tool you create your show scenes. The Programmer has a variety of editing options to quickly and simply create demanding water patterns and lighting scenes. The Object Properties page displays all of the settings and parameters of the devices in your project. Here you can change the device properties for the fixture, fountain, nozzles, lights and mechanical parts. The effects presets offer quick macros that can be simply dragged and dropped onto fountain groups or other devices. This enables you to create complex scenes in a very short time. In the Scenes folder, you create groups which are then displayed in an alphabetical order. Here you can select a scene and hold the Test Selected Scene button to examine it. That's the end of this tutorial. Thank you for your attention, and please watch our other Synchronon Depence tutorial videos.